In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Todoist. Whether you're a first-time user or looking to streamline your workflow, this tutorial is designed to guide you through the process of accessing Todoist with ease. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to access Todoist using a web browser. This is one of the simplest ways to get started. Open your preferred browser, whether that's Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. Once your browser is open, head to the address bar and type in the following URL, todoist.com. Hit enter, and you'll be directed to the Todoist homepage. Now, to access your personal workspace, locate the login button situated in the top right corner of the page. Click on this button. If you haven't yet set up an account, don't worry, you can sign up in minutes. For those with an account, enter your email and password. Alternatively, for a faster login, you can use your Google or Apple credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll be redirected directly to your Todoist workspace, where all your tasks and projects await you. Next, let's explore how to open Todoist on your desktop, which can offer faster access and enhanced functionality. Todoist provides dedicated desktop applications for both Windows and Mac users. We'll start with the process for Windows. Open your browser again and navigate to the website todoist.com/downloads. Here, you will find various download options. Click on Download for Windows to begin the download. Once the file has downloaded completely, run the installer and follow the on-screen setup steps to finalize the installation process. This usually only takes a few minutes. After the installation is complete, you can open Todoist directly from your Start menu or click on the desktop shortcut that was created during the installation. This shortcut will allow quick access to Todoist with just a click, making it even more convenient to manage your tasks. By following these steps, you've now mastered opening Todoist, whether through your web browser or directly on your desktop. Utilizing Todoist across different platforms ensures you maintain productivity no matter where you are or what device you're using. Now, with a better grasp of these fundamental techniques, you're well on your way to becoming a Todoist pro. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy organizing!